Why are there not more people talking about value stream mapping? It's a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their processes. So what is value stream mapping? It's a visual tool used to analyze and improve the flow of materials and information required to bring a product to a customer. Think of it as a blueprint for efficiency. Imagine a bakery. From the moment ingredients arrive to the delicious cake being sold, every step is mapped out. This helps identify waste, like waiting times or unnecessary movements. By cutting out these inefficiencies, the bakery can bake more cakes faster and at a lower cost, or take a car manufacturer. Value stream mapping can highlight bottlenecks in production, like delays in parts delivery. Fixing these issues leads to smoother operations and happier customers. Whether you're in manufacturing or services, value stream mapping can help streamline your processes and boost productivity. Give it a try and see the magic unfold. And that's value stream mapping in 60 seconds. Please like, comment, and share this